Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, just look at the size of that bell pepper. Isn't that beautiful? Now, you can go ahead and pick that if you like, because you think that that's ready to pick, because you see them in the store, they're green. All peppers start off green. I'm hoping that's right, but all of my peppers start off green. Now this one, after it's green, it could turn yellow or orange or red. So I'm just going to leave it and see what it does. And I find that a green pepper to me is more bitter. I don't know if that's the right word, but I find them bitter. Orange, yellow, red, much sweeter. Time to pick.